Following the huge disappointment we experienced at the Galaxy Unpack event where there was no grand finale, Samsung has now ended the silence regarding its much-anticipated trifold phone. During a press conference in Brooklyn, New York, TMRO, the head of Samsung's mobile division, officially confirmed that this device is set to launch later this year. His precise words were, "We're working hard to launch the trifold phone once its completion and usability are assured. We will be able to launch the product within this year. You can definitely expect it." He also disclosed that the company has not yet finalized an official name for the product, but they will make a decision soon since the launch is approaching. This marks the first occasion Samsung has publicly addressed this phone, confirming the rumors that emerged after an animation of the device was leaked on One UI 8, where it was observed that the device would imagine it folds inward on both the right side and the left side, while the center part remains as the core foundation. The device is anticipated to feature what's known as a G-shaped fold, which is the one I'm describing for you, characterized by two hinges folding inward. Now that Samsung has officially confirmed its launch for this year, could you share your thoughts on whether you believe it will succeed in establishing a new benchmark within the foldable market?